Virat ki cricket ante passion, of course Virat ki food ante kuda passion. So ade passion tho he started a restaurant that is 18 commune anamata. Already different parts of the India lo start cheyadam jarigindi anamata. That is Mumbai, Pune, Delhi, Kolkata and Bangalore. And ippudu for the first time mana Hyderabadis kosam especially Hyderabad lo kuda start chesadu anamata. 18 commune undi. So ikkadiki vacham manamu present ikkada cuisine ela undi, menu ela undi, mottham anni check cheddam. Let's check it out. 18 commune is already in different parts of the country. So now it is in Hyderabad. So it has come to Hyderabad. How is it?
Hyderabad, the city. I mean, especially the first outlet we opened in South is in Bangalore, right?
Yes.
The reception we got there, and after that, I thought that the love we are getting towards South, we should go to Hyderabad as well. And even here, the reception we getting, you can already see, right? Everyone is coming, who's a who, and Virat came himself. He got RCB team few days back, right? He loved the place and loved the food, vibe, and wherever we go to any city, basically our 80% of the menu is the same, and 20% we add local flavors. Like particularly in Hyderabad, we added soya halim and Hyderabadi famous biryani in a bamboo way.
Oh, that's interesting. I'm about to ask that because we Hyderabad especially love spice.
Spicy food, yes. Yes, we added that as well, spicy flavors as well in the menu. And Hyderabad biryani in a bamboo way, it's a little spicy, but it's for everyone.
Okay. So what is the unique theme or concept about this restaurant, 18?
Unique concept, as you have seen the interiors, we go towards more boho vibe, right? And you have seen the outlet. How did you like it? You tell me that.
It is
you like it,
stunning. Yeah,
absolutely stunning. So we have different sections here. So as Virat's massive fan following, it's from a kid to youngster to elders. We have different sections here. High energy zone to proper dine-in to outdoor as well. So we have 3 different sections here, and we have like this is 190-seater restaurant.
Okay. Virat has cult following in Hyderabad, so you may be knowing it. And also, what are the special dishes that Virat favorites are added?
Yeah, Virat's favorite menu. I mean, it's everywhere, like pan India, all our restaurants. Favorite is mushroom dim sum. That's what he likes to eat. Super fruit salad. That's what he likes. He likes avocado tartar, avocado flatbread. Basically, he's a vegetarian, so he likes all the vegetarian dishes. Mostly, this is in his favorite menu, which we already have in our menu.
Okay. So, are you following any eco-friendly measures to think?
I mean, we are trying whatever we can. You know how usually everyone is trying to have eco-friendly these days. We're doing that a bit.
Okay. So, what is one special dish that Hyderabad is? First, you have already mentioned about biryani.
Yeah.
Other than that?
I like soya halim.
Okay.
Vegetarian.
Okay. So it's open for everyone, but whatever the pricing and all?
Yeah, price point. It's everyone. It's the APC we have. It's 1800. So it's not that expensive. It's not that cheap as well. So it caters to everyone.
Okay. In different parts of the country also got huge response.
See, the response is the love, the people showing. We already in 5 different cities. This one is the 6th one and the 9th outlet. And this year we already plan to have 4 more launches because fit out is going on. Back-to-back launches we have planned from next month till December in Mumbai, Delhi NCR, Indore, Jaipur. And even in Hyderabad, I love the city. I liked it so much, and people are so nice, so humble. I've already seen a spot in Financial District.
Okay.
Maybe the next 18 commune within 6 to 8 months we'll see it over there.
Okay, another one in Hyderabad.
Yeah.
Cool. So can you explain about the menu and what are the dishes available?
See, menu, we kept it global menu, and the offering is like that because global, I would tell you in detail that it includes Italian as well, Pan-Asian, Indian. And why is that? Because Virat's fan following is like that. Like, he has massive fan following. So we wanted to cater all age group, all religion, And go-to dishes, I would say again, mushroom kukli dim sum is my go-to favorite. Avocado tartar, soya halim, particularly for Hyderabad, and many more dishes. You should come and try.
Okay. So Virat has come here, and did he
Yeah,
taste
yes.
anything?
Yeah. He's actively involved in the process. You know how he is, how competitive his nature is, and whatever he tries, he tells us genuinely that what we need to do, whether he really likes it or not, and his favorite menu, like his section, his menu in our menu section, that what he liked, and that's why we put it in there.
Introduce yourself.
Hi, thank you so much for coming. It's a pleasure having you.
What's happening today?
Today we are hosting the much awaited launch of 1/8 Commune by Virat Kohli. Sophia Events is officially hosting this launch, and it's one of the most fabulous restaurants. It's already doing very well in Bombay and Bangalore, and now as you see, it's opening in Hyderabad, and the place is jam-packed and full.
How is Hyderabad?
Oh, Hyderabad is a lovely place.
Virat fan, right?
Yeah.
Of course.
Yes, of course. We're from here.
Okay, what's the one more thing that you like about Virat Kohli?
About Virat Kohli. He's an amazing human being. Apart from being a great cricketer, making our country proud, he's a very down-to-earth, very humble, very good human being, and he's expanded in the restaurant business, and he's doing extremely well.
Have you explored the place? How is it, and how is the food here?
You have to taste it, and you have to decide for yourself. I would say it's amazing. You have to decide for yourself.
Have you tasted?
But we,
Have you tasted the food?
yes, absolutely. Yeah.
What's the one dish you have liked about this? What is the one dish you have liked?
I can't really say one. Just try the broccoli in the vegetarian section. The broccoli is amazing. The Malai broccoli is amazing. The chicken tikka is amazing. The seafood is great. Everything is great. It's about your choice. Thank you so much.
Virat Kohli fan.
I am Virat Kohli actually.
How is it?
No, basically the thing is he's very cosmically connected to me. I guess Virat knows me very well. He must have seen Splitsvilla 11. He must have seen other things too. But at the same time, जब मैं दिल्ली गया था, सबसे पहले एरो सिटी में जहाँ उनका सबसे पहला आउटलेट खुला था. So I was the person which was very happy that Virat has opened something of his dream. And मैं चाहता हूँ कि उसके सारे ड्रीम पूरे हो. Because I cosmically really connect to him. So I am an actor Shivdan, and भी आप लोगों ने मुझे Splitsvilla Roadies में देखा होगा. I'm the first person from Nagpur to get into Splitsvilla, and recently Tollywood में 3 movies आ रही है मेरी. It's hard एक नॉर्थ में रह के साउथ में मूवी करना. కొంచెం తెలుగు వచ్చు బాగున్నారా మీరు అన్నం తిన్నారా సో ఇక్కడ అన్నం తిన్నా బాగున్నారా మీరు బాగున్నారా
చాలా బాగుంది.
So yeah, I mean, I'm kind of a very multi-dimensional person. Recently completed my MBA in tourism and hospitality. I'm a civil engineer. My father is an IS officer. But then one thing is very clear for me, that I'm an artist and I have to get into that zone which is waiting for me. And somewhere there, Virat really connects to me. So if this Virat is watching this, I'm here for you, darling. I love you so much. I am you.
Okay, you're multi-talented. Did you explore the place completely? How's the food here?
So I have not been to Europe yet. My father is going as a diplomat, but then I can feel that there's a very European vibes. It has a very a different vibes, you know. Like it's completely high. You know, the aura itself is so positive that whomever you meet here, you will feel like you have known that person very well. It's very familiar faces everywhere. So it happens when the aura is so clean. So that aura is very clean. So all the best people are all accumulated here. So I'm honored that I'm in the Virat's guest list. And that's it, Virat. See you soon in cinemas. Together.
Okay, thank you so much.
It's an honor. It's an honor, Lumbini. Thank you so much.
Love the place. I've actually visited Delhi and Mumbai, and I think Hyderabad is gonna happen with Virat Kohli's 18. So looking forward to great food, fine dining, and a lovely party.
So how's the fit here?
So I think 18 is really good. I think an amazing party place. I've been to Mumbai and Delhi, and I'm loving Hyderabad. Really enjoying it.
Okay, have you explored completely?
I'm just getting into it. Yeah.
Did you try anything now? Other than drinks?
I'm just having this little light drink. I'm a teetotaler, but I think I love the food.
And it's something you must try too. And you should also try the chole bhature here.
Wow.
It's a signature here.
That's a great combination.
It is indeed. And of course, everything in non-veg is delectable.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.